Yeah. What's up, baby?
Oh yeah? What the hell is going on here?
Yeah, I can get ya.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're heading into the Daintree Rainforest. We're going to check out some nice waterfalls, some very nice beaches, some swimming holes. The photos of the Daintree look so nice, so I'm pretty excited to get in there and have a look. First place I'm going to is Bloomfield Beach. So I'm going to go to, there's a river mouth there. I'm actually going to fish that and see if I can get onto a barra in the Daintree Rainforest. At some point in this video, I've got some pretty exciting news on what I'm doing. Yeah, just stay tuned for that because it's gonna be sick. Can't wait to tell you. Actually just rocked up to the Lion's Den. It's a pub I've been told to go to, so I might just go in there, have a look around, maybe get a coffee or something.
3, 2, 1, I just made it.
Just had me egg and bacon roll, got me coffee. Now let's go catch a barramundi, hey? I just got to the track to the mouth of the river, and I just don't want to get down there and realise it's too tight for my car and the boat. So I'm going to take the trailer off here. Heavy trailer, man. Heavy trailer. Oh, it's soft. Ah! Stay on the gas. Stay on the gas. Stay on the gas. No! Ah, we're stuck. Let's put it in full drive. We'll be right. Give it some. Yeah, dog. Let's have a fish, eh? Check this out. Oh yeah, I like this spot. No fish. The blokes that were fishing there, they caught about a 50 centimetre trevally. He's using a popper though. Snapped me line, got snagged. Have a look at this. This is just amazing. Probably should have let the air down in my tyres. Got these tyre deflators. You screw them on, you set your pressure, and they're good because you can put them on, by the time you get back, it's pretty much done. So let me show you. So you set this, so I'm going to go to about 28. Pop it on, and you just pull that, and that'll deflate. You go over and do the rest of them. Such an easy way to do it, these things. And that's how you know it's done. It's amazing what it does when you deflate your tyres on the beach.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
Right, just hook the trailer back up. Now we're heading to a waterfall. Got a bit of a hike up to this spot now, this waterfall. Don't know how long the walk is, but see you when we get there. Just thinking about it, I don't actually think I've ever been to like a waterfall like this. Geez, that's nice. good swim here. Such a nice place to swim, but pretty sure the crocodiles get up here, so we'll not be swimming. That's for sure. That was such a nice waterfall to go and see. Now we're heading to Cowi Beach. Hopefully it's at low tide. I'm not sure if it will, but low tide you can walk out like pretty far. There's trees and mangroves around you can go look at. Hopefully find a crab in there, imagine that. This. What a life. It's unreal. There's coconut trees. I'm gonna go try and grab a couple coconuts. Going to these coconut trees. Surely we can find a coconut. You hear that? One in there. I searched it up. Coconuts are so good for you. Good for your heart. Good for your digestive system, just good, everything about them is good. So I'm just gonna take 2. Coconut! Gonna start off this one that's already pretty much open. There we have it. The coconut is open. Let's give it a go. There's a bit of the meat. It's not how I thought it would be. It's hard. I'd like it if it was a bit softer. But if you were stuck somewhere, you'd bloody take it, wouldn't you? I've got my other 2 coconuts here. Just pulled up to the Daintree Rainforest National Park. There's a walk I'm gonna do. Lookie Boardwalk. I don't know if that's how you say it. I'm gonna do that walk. Nice little lookout to go to. I think there is another one there, but I'm not going to do that one. I found another swimming hole I'm going to go check out before I go to camp. It's like a minute away from where I'm camping, so I'm going to go have a look at that, maybe have a swim. Swimming hole. There's all jungle perch and everything like in the water with you, as you could see when I jumped in. They're not very scared. Oh, I need a piss. Yeah, I'm just pissed. Oh, that was so nice to have a swim, refreshing up. Definitely come here later for a bit of a fish. This is actually the boat ramp. I didn't know they had one, but it's too shallow anyway, like the tide's down. Apparently there's a couple of resident crocodiles that live here, so gotta be careful. About to have a little bit of lunch. Check this out. Big mud crab core. That's me lunch, baby. Right there. Look at that. Imagine that thing getting ya. Look at that bit of meat. Jesus. Right, salt, pepper. And a bit of QP. Chuck a bit on top. Cheers. That's the way to do it, I reckon. That's nice. Got 2 solar blankets going to get that battery pumping. Like my battery ran flat last night after 3 days. We didn't really drive too much. Yeah, so now with the 2 solars going, 7 amps of power is going into that battery with me fridges running as well. So that'll never run flat. Like, if I just do that all day, if I park up somewhere, I'll be able to stay there for fucking ages. Sweet, I was a bit stressed about that. While I'm on the topic of talking about me solars, instead of doing the east coast of Australia, I've decided to do a lap. So instead of going down, I'm going around with Tori and Blake doing Northern Territory, the Kimberleys, WA. It's going to be sick. Going to be spearfishing, really good fishing. I've extended my trip by 2 months. So it's going to be another 4 months from now. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Cannot wait. It's going to be some good fishing, I reckon. Right guys, I was sitting down for about 2 hours in the hammock. Now I decided to go out for a bit of a flick. Have a look at this little prawn I've put on. Check that out. Surely that gets smacked. There's a crocodile over there. You can just see it in the water. I'll go to my phone. Jeez, it looks bigger now.
Oh my god, look at, guys, look at it through here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can see it now because I got bad eyes.
Oh, much bigger than. Wait, look.
Fuck.
That's cool, eh?
Yeah, that's...
Something jumping over there. Oh, something hit it. Oh, what do I got? Oh, it's a barrel. Oh, no, it's not. What is that? Yeah! I saw its fin come up and I cast straight over it and bang! It hit it. Alright guys, leave a comment down below what this is. I think it's a threadfin salmon, but it's going back, whatever it is. Yeah, that's sick. I'm staying away from the water because there was a crocodile and it just went under the water, so I'm throwing this in from a distance. There was a croc just over the other side of that river. This. Off you go. Let's try and get another one, eh? Yep, yep. Oh, that's fish. Oh! What is that? Oh. Another one of those fish. That's sick. Look at the chrome on that. That's mint. I don't even know what these fish are called. I don't know if it's a threadfin salmon because threadfin salmon have like whiskers there. But it's probably a really nice eating fish, but I don't know what it is, so I'm just throwing it back. It has the colours on it. When you get it in the right spot, colours are amazing. And there's a crocodile somewhere right here. I've seen it swimming in the bank. And I'm catching these fish. Unreal. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Come on. Get away from there. Get up. Oh, it's not even good. What the hell? Oh. Little GT. That's sick. Bro, you're going back. Chill. Just got another one. I was on the phone, so I didn't get to record it. A little bit bigger this one, I reckon. Listen to him. Off you go. Yeah.
Fucking right on the bunny there, bro.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah,
You cast at them.
no, you're right.
No, it's fine. Serious, cast at them. Oh, damn it. Oh! What is that? Oh! No! Oh yeah, what the hell is going on here? There's heaps of them. Oh! That was sick. I reckon that got off like 3 times, but they kept chasing it. That was awesome. That's sick. Another one, another little GT. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Come on. Land it on him. Yep. That's fish. Give it tight. No! Damn it. That is good fun. There they are, right on it. Oh. 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 Yep. Yep. Oh, come on, stay on. Yeah, they go so hard. Yeah, dog. This is such a good little session. Look at that. Nice little GT. This is sick. Throw him back. Literally just wait and see him bust up, then you cast at him. Like we'll go one more, then we'll go back. This little prawn here was doing the damage. Sort of just splash. Well, I think they might be gone. That was so much fun. I probably caught like 6 of those little GTs. I'll see you in the morning. We're going to head off to some more beaches, waterfalls and swimming holes. And then we're going to go to Port Douglas. So stay tuned for that. See you in the morning. Had a very good night's sleep. We're on our way to Thornton Beach. There's a reef which is like, it looks like it could be casting distance off of the beach. So I'm going to put a popper on me big rod and try and cast the popper right out to the reef and see if we can get onto a fish. So I just found a beach called Coconut Beach. So I'm gonna go to Coconut Beach and grab a few coconuts. Yeah. Got me coconut. Let's go. Just made it to Thornton Beach. I'm bringing my knife. I haven't had any brekkie or anything yet, so I'm going to try to find a coconut, crack it open, have a coconut. Just watching this sunrise. Definitely won't be able to cast out to the reef. Around that island, there's a reef. Around there. Yeah, dog. Oh yeah, that's a lot. That's brekkie done. Leave a comment down below if you guys have ever had a coconut and if you eat the meat out of it. And let me know what you think. Next stop is Mossmans Gorge for a bit of a swim. Pretty keen for this one. Photos and everything look unreal, so. This is like the water in Victoria. Far out. Oh, I just gotta not be a pussy. I'm being a pussy. Not too bad once you go in. heard the tour guide saying you could drink this water. Saying it doesn't come from the sky, or like rain or anything, it comes from like the Philippines, up from underground or some shit. I don't know if he's talking shit. Pretty cool. It's cold, very cold. Hi guys, just got back in the car. I'm gonna end this video there. Super stoked with it actually. It was really good going through Cape Tribulation, the Daintree Rainforest and that. The first half of it was definitely better from Cooktown to Cape Tribulation. There was more waterfalls and swimming holes, and yeah, I just thought that was nicer. Yeah, and stoked to get onto some little GTs and those threadfin salmon. I think they are threadfin salmon. Leave a comment down below on what they were. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Follow me along on my journey around the lap of Australia now. I'm not doing the East Coast, doing the lap. It's gonna be sick. Gonna get stuck into the spearfishing when I'm in WA, so hopefully shoot some big fish with the spear gun. So you guys, make sure you subscribe, follow me along. See you in the next video. Peace.